This simple trick gives me an abundance of crops every year. My vegetables grow like crazy. Take an empty water container and carefully cut off the top, leaving only the upper part. Then, using a soldering iron, make plenty of small holes in the plastic. The more holes you make, the better. This step is very important. Once the base is ready, dig a hole in your garden. The hole should be as deep as the container. Place the container in the ground and cover it so that only the part with the cap sticks out. Unscrew the cap and throw in organic waste. You can use spinach leaves or banana peels. These ingredients nourish the soil perfectly. They are rich in magnesium, potassium, and other minerals. Every few days, I add a fresh handful or two of scraps. Just a few of these containers placed around the garden, and the results will amaze you. This way, you create a natural composter without any chemicals. The vegetables are not only bigger, but also tastier and more resistant to disease. Healthy soil, lush leaves, and baskets full of harvest.